Welcome to Webshala. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to back up photos and videos shot on our iPhone onto our computer. Our system here is running on Windows 10, but the method we'll be going over works with pretty much every major release of Windows since Windows XP, which was released way back in 2001. We shall not be using any third-party softwares in this tutorial as well. So there's nothing that you will need to buy or download and install in order to follow along. So let's begin. First, using the cable that came with your iPhone or the one that you use to charge it with, connect your iPhone to your PC's USB port. Many of you may have Apple's iTunes software installed on your PCs. Apple actually uses iTunes in order to transfer all sorts of data to and from your PC. Things like your music, your contacts, etc. And that's why if you have iTunes, it may automatically launch when you plug in your iPhone. If this is the first time you're plugging in the iPhone to this PC, iTunes will ask you if you'd like to access the information that is on this iPhone. Hit continue to grant your computer this access. You may then see a pop-up on your iPhone asking you if you trust this computer. In order to permit your PC to retrieve your photos from your iPhone, you will need to click on Trust at this prompt. Now here's a little secret. You don't have to use iTunes to fetch your photos from your iPhone. It's a really cool software if you wish to sync up your music, your calendars, and your other data. But for this tutorial, we don't need it. So let's close iTunes for now and discover an easier method. The thing with the modern day smartphone is that they are digital cameras in their own right. When connected to a computer, they identify themselves as not just a phone, but as a digital camera as well. So, and not many people know this, we can actually back up our photos like we do from our digital cameras. On the Windows platform, it's really straightforward because the storage system on a digital camera shows up like just another thumb drive on our system. So let's launch our File Explorer, click on this PC, and there, under Devices and Drives, you should see your iPhone. Double-click on its icon to enter and access its internal storage. There is a protocol that is followed by all digital camera manufacturers. They store all images inside a folder called DCIM, which actually stands for Digital Camera Images. Your iPhone's internal storage too will have this folder. Entering the DCIM folder will reveal another folder with the digital camera's brand name, inside which should be all your photos and videos. Now, if you wish to be selective with your choice of files to import, you can click on the files by keeping the Control key pressed on your keyboard. If you'd rather import them all, using the shortcut Ctrl-A on your keyboard will select every image and video on your device. With the selection made, it's now a simple matter of copy and paste. Right-click on your selection and say Copy from the pop-up menu. Let's back up these files into our system's Pictures folder. It always helps to be organized, so let's create a new folder within this Pictures folder. Right-click on a blank area, go to New, and select Folder. We'll call this iPhone Photos Backup. Let's double-click to enter it, and right-click anywhere within the blank area, and say Paste. Our photos and videos will now be transferred to this folder. And that's it. All our files are now backed up safe and sound onto our PC. That's how simple it is to retrieve your photos and videos from your iPhone.